One to him.
No, that's choke him. Where you tonight? Why you don't in there?
Aye.
Wait.
Good. Wrong? Yeah, easy now, Mr. Rowe. Hey, ball out to now, do that. Want some more mouth to mouth?
Pass really now.
Gone.
Alright. Maybe kid, you know.
Okay. Why you are the best, Mr. Rowe? You're not easy. You're not easy.